In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely remove ProtonVPN from your Windows PC, ensuring that all associated data is thoroughly deleted. This is a useful process if you're troubleshooting issues or simply want to start fresh. Let's dive into it step by step and make sure we leave no trace behind. First, we'll begin by accessing the Settings menu. You can do this by clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen and selecting Settings from the menu, or by typing Settings in the search bar next to the icon. Once in Settings, navigate to Apps and then choose Apps and Features. This all-encompassing list presents you with all the applications installed on your computer. In this long list, scroll down to find ProtonVPN. Once you locate it, click on it, which will reveal a button to uninstall the app. Follow the prompts, confirming any messages that may appear to ensure ProtonVPN is uninstalled from your system. After removing the app itself, we need to remove its drivers. This will require a trip to the Device Manager. Access the Device Manager by right-clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen and selecting Device Manager from the list that appears. When you find yourself in the Device Manager window, look for the Network Adapters category and expand it by clicking on the arrow next to it. Here, you might see an entry or two labeled something like Tap ProtonVPN. Right-click on such entries and select Uninstall Device from the context menu. This removes any additional network drivers ProtonVPN might have installed on your PC. Now that the app and its drivers are gone, let's ensure there's no remaining data left behind. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows key plus E or by clicking its icon on your taskbar. Go to the address bar at the top and paste the following path: C/users appdata local files. Locate the ProtonVPN folder within this local folder and delete it by right-clicking and selecting Delete. Next, remain in File Explorer and navigate to a similar path. C users appdata while roaming plus. Here, look for Proton Technologies AG and then the ProtonVPN folder inside it. Again, right-click and choose Delete. By removing these folders, we're making sure that all cached data and preferences are erased from your system. We're almost done. To wrap things up, restart your computer. This helps to ensure that any changes made during this process are correctly applied and that any remaining temporary files are cleaned up. And there you have it. You've successfully removed ProtonVPN from your Windows PC. When you're ready to use ProtonVPN again, we'll be here with guidance on how to reinstall it safely. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.